What we're looking at here is the nephron model on that three-part kidney model for Bio 158. Essentially what we did here is we blew up what that other kidney model was. So let's just review a couple things. What we see here in the brown here is the renal capsule. This section here is the renal cortex. This layer here is the renal medulla, and that structure there is a renal pyramid. If we look at blood vessels here, since this is a renal pyramid, these are the interlobular. So this is the interlobular artery, this is the interlobular vein. These blood vessels, which are between the cortex and a pyramid, are the arcuate. So this is an arcuate artery, this is an arcuate vein. The ones that are coming up into the cortex are the interlobular. This is the interlobular artery, this is the interlobular vein. So, let's look at the parts of a nephron. We're going to start off with this, which is the glomerulus. So that is the glomerulus. And then around the glomerulus, what we see here, that is the Bowman's capsule. So that is the Bowman's capsule. There's a tube that starts at the Bowman's capsule, winds down, goes down, and then back up, and then winds around again. And that whole tube is a renal tubule. The first part of that tubule is this part right here, and this is called the proximal convoluted tubule. So this is the proximal convoluted tubule. And when the tubing goes down and up again, that whole structure there is the loop of Henle. So that is the loop of Henle. Well, there are two parts to the loop of Henle. We have a descending limb, because we're going down. This is the descending limb of the loop of Henle, and then we head back up, and so this is the ascending limb of the loop of Henle. And then we get to this part where it winds around again, and that is the distal convoluted tubule. And then the distal convoluted tubule drains into this structure here, which is the collecting duct. So, glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, descending limb of the loop of Henle to ascending limb of the loop of Henle to distal convoluted tubule to the collecting duct.